All right, so we're going to calculate four different measures of four different topographic variables from the DEM that we've created here. So to do that, we're going to go up to raster, analysis, and the four we're going to calculate are aspect, roughness, slope, and ruggedness. So we'll calculate aspect just to show you an example of how that works, and also because it's weird, since this is in degrees to the direction that it's facing. So 0 degrees or 360 would be north, 90 would be east, 180 would be south, and so on. So I'll show you how I'll display that too. So we'll calculate aspect. We're going to input the original DEM data, not the hillshade. And I'm going to select a name. I'm going to call it the aspect. I've already created one, so I'll be replacing that. But you will not be doing that. And then I'll hit run. And then I will close this. All right, so the interesting thing about aspect, you can see it ranges from 0 to 360 degrees. We don't have a nice way to display that data. So I'm going to go under aspect, and under symbology, I'm going to say style and load style. And the aspect.qml that you've downloaded, if you open that up and hit OK, you'll have this. So anything that's bright red is pointing north, anything that's bright yellow is pointing east, anything that's green is pointing south, anything that's blue is pointing west, and then we're back down to north. So you can see this is the direction that the slope is facing. For the other ones, it's exactly the same. You just need to go to a raster, analysis, and select roughness, slope, and ruggedness. And all you have to do is make sure you're inputting the original DEM and that you provide an output name. And then you should end up with the same data layers that I have.